Good morning to all the Socialpost media ప్రేక్షకులకి. I'm Dr. Ramadevi Papolu, fertility specialist, Kamineni Hospital. I'm not going to talk today about infertility. I'm going to talk on basic subject about the pregnancy, because pregnancy is very every woman faces in their life. They will have lot of doubts, lot of questions, and what to eat, what not to eat, whether to do exercise, not to do exercise, can I do fasting, can I eat this, can I eat that, is it good during pregnancy, like that. So many questions will be there. So for that, one by one I am going to narrate you. First, how to recognize whether you are pregnant or not. Of course, you may tell, once you miss the period, you know that you may be pregnant. But every time you may not be pregnant due to various reasons, especially when you are under stress. You have exams or interview or job stress or something, like periods will get postponed. That's why even in regularly menstruating women, we need to, once you miss the period, you need to go for the test. I want to stress mainly upon the irregular period women. When irregular periods are there, it is difficult to recognize when one conceives. So the common changes soon after pregnancy, confirmation of the pregnancy occurs is: 1, weakness, tiredness, increased appetite, or nausea, or not able to concentrate, or frequency of urine. So any of these symptoms, if there are there, you better go for the test. Normally in irregular women, the time of ovulation we calculate in such a way: next expected period minus 14 days. Suppose if a person is having period 40 days, so minus 14, then 26th day will be the ovulation time. So depend like that, you have to calculate and expect the pregnancy. So this is the one, how to recognize pregnancy. Once you are conceived, what you have to do? First, you have to search for a good hospital where they have all the facilities, both gynecologist and pediatrician. So you may be having nearby many hospitals, but inquire where doctors are good and sympathetic, empathetic, and take care of you till delivery. So once you have done this, then what is the next? Especially 2-3 things we have to deal. 1 with the diet, 2 about the health, 3 about the psychological problems. So everybody knows during pregnancy there will be lot of mood swings, anxiety, depression, tension, all these things will be there. So in the beginning only, you should consult the gynecologist along with your husband and mother-in-law, because they are the very close to you and they have to take care of your all your psychological status. Because of the mood swings, the other persons in the family should be able to adjust with you, and they should not get anger along with you, because yours is a natural phenomena and because of the hormonal changes. So everybody in the family should understand this thing. So coming to the nutrition, most of the time, if the pregnant lady cannot eat also, people will force. So better the pregnant lady get educated, so that nobody should tell them and force them. You should have the responsibility about yourself and your baby growth and health. So I advise everybody on 2 things. Whoever conceives or planning to conceive, they should read at least 1 book written by good author, who will give you all the information about the pregnancy, all the changes, what happens in the pregnancy, what food you have to take, what precautions you have to take, how to plan the delivery. All these things will be dealt in those books, because on TV, this electronic media, we cannot tell you in detail. We can only tell you in nutshell. And another thing, you should read 1 book. Especially I recommend Benjamin Spock, a pediatrician, has written 3 volumes. 1 from pregnancy till 5 years of the baby, 2 5 years to 10 years of the baby, and 3 on 10 to end of the teenage. So in that book, the author has included the health, delivery, psychological problems, and about the nutrition and baby psychological problems, and everything in detail they have dealt. Most of the time, very few people concentrate like this, because naturally it is happening, naturally everything will go, and we need not put any effort. But if you put an effort reading books, you will be the best parents and child will be the best child. So please do read books. books are very, very important in our life, because after that digital media has come, people are not concentrating on reading the books. I suggest you to read good books.